Okay, so in this test run, we're going to transcribe Clint Eastwood by the Gorillaz. I want you to just focus on the melody. I'm going to be playing this as though it's in C minor. I want you to tell me which notes the melody plays within the key of C minor. Here it is again, slightly slower. And here it is again. I'm going to play it even slower this time. So here is the answer within the key of C minor. I am playing C, C, G, C, C, E flat, G, C, C, G, C, C, E flat, G, 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 E flat, F, E flat, F, G, E flat, C, C, B flat, C, 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 B flat, C, C. So again, starts on C, the root. Again, another melody that starts on the root. C, C, G, and it goes down to the fifth. Remember, the root and the fifth of the scale are always going to be these pillars, which a lot of music moves back and forth between. So if it jumps, often it's jumping to the root or the fifth. C, C, G, C, C, E flat, G. And really the most distinctive aspect of this melody is the common shape which we're hearing. C, C, E flat, G. That's one of our common shapes. This minor triad is often going to be the one chord, C minor, arpeggiated. C, C, E flat, G. And then if we let it play on a bit, you also hear one of our common shapes. G, 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 E flat, F, E flat, F, G, E flat, C. So there we're hearing our G, F, E flat, C shape. It's just being played in a different combination. And the trickiest part of the melody is the initial interval. This big leap. However, if we transcribe this and sort of unlock it from just recognizing the common shape which is later in the melody, C, E flat, G, and the C, E flat, F, G, well then once you know those notes, it's not too difficult to figure out the initial interval which is just above it, and a good logical guess would be that it starts on the root on C and it comes down to the fifth of the scale, which is G. And in this melody, we hear this tension note, the B flat, but in this case it does resolve the way it wants to, back up to the root, B flat, C, C. And meanwhile in the chords we're just hearing a C minor chord. And the bass line is just doing this sort of bossa nova type of bass line where it plays the root and the fifth, so C, G, but it's just the same chord. How about this chord though, just for some variation? Goes up to A flat in the bass, which would mean there is an A flat chord just to end for some variation. So essentially C minor, but there is an A flat major chord, R6 chord.